Mr. Great, me's here for the living work, sir.
Who you?
My name Anna Quintals, but you can call me Quinty for short. Good girl, that should make for me now in time. Well, it smell like him use expensive cologne. Yeah, one of them one day them call it Isiminasi. Yeah, him well shampoo and well proper. You see, like him a one of them old KC boy then. So you know that? You can't smell the KC man them from far. You don't know so the purple blood and up in a them.
Which country you come from?
Portmore, sir, in a Mosquito Valley.
I look for a proper helper. So just tell me what you can do.
Well, Mr. Chickafoot Christie.
No man, baby girl. It's Mr. Grey for right now.
Lord Jesus, me lose a little walk right now before me even. No, me have to go back and punch it. Jesus, no, me need to start.
It's all good. No answer.
Well, sir, everybody know me as a triple threat. Me can wash, me can cook, and me can clean, sir.
And Quint?
I don't quite understand. Hello?
Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy.
So, sir, is you and Miss Dream gonna work for, sir? Mr. Triggerfoot, sir?
No wife, no kids. Divorced me little tired by the ex-wife last year. So I just a cat here and you. You want me to say God? Or yeah. Well, wash your things in that sink.
Looking so crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now.
Nah, that baby, the kitchen something I'm waiting to ask.
Yeah, really. A 4 days now, me and try going to that room this, sir. I know me can't know why they. How are you hiding this, sir? This house?
Oh. Just easy one, baby. At the fertility center.
No, sir. I do up this. My hurting. And this me I kill up myself over. So much as unbox. No man is a IT and fancy cat prank this. Big belly fancy cat come out of the closet. Come in, me not in them so.
Shh. Cease. And second. Put some ketchup on your toenail.
Wait, what?
Yeah, your toenail right between the creases.
So where you catch up there?
Don't worry about that. See ya.
My name was Sassy Steve.
Don't know.
Go down and a wine and a bubble and round a back does a jump, this a trouble and bust a hug up and a couple and a cuddle and a wine up me body and a bubble.
So we are doing that?
Nothing, baby. Just a package and need a little snack.
Boom 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 boom, papa boom boom. Have me body does a jump and a boom 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 boom. Wine pan the.
She got put the better you can do this.
Watch and learn.
The blood of Jesus against that too! Oh, yes, from the human
Hot girl, sweet like a honey. X to the 5, we not driving a sunny. Vicky have a secret, Gianni.
But that's it, burritos. Thanks so much for watching my 50 Shades of Rae parody spoof. Big up Christina Stars. Christina, say hi to the people.
Hey, yo!
Yeah, man. She was so nice enough, man, and they laughed off together. But they promised so we never about video. And finally, it's out there, so make sure to check it out if people want to find you, where they can find you.
Yeah, www.christinastars.com.
That's it. Just link me and me with some information, you get me? That's just it. And oh, forget, I am nominated for a Youth Review Award in the category Favorite Breakout Celebrity of 2014. So make sure that you vote for me. All you have to do is just text 11 and go to Berry to 444-4204. All it costs is $15 and you can vote from any network. Alright, bye bye. Peace out. So back to Christina.
Backstabber!
Peace out.